I'm about to make a basic spaghetti bolognese with my daughter. Here are the ingredients.
What's up? Miss Lee in the house. So hard.
Break the mince up properly.
Like that?
Yep.
It's easy with the side grinder.
Just going to grate some cheese while the mince and pasta's cooking. I use a potato peeler, but she's not very good at using it. Right, hold that and I'll do it.
Okay. So he's going to do that. Got my nails done, didn't I? So cute. Good job.
Okay, the mince is brown, so we're putting the bolognese sauce in.
Stop.
Right, I think that's enough. Mix it up. Okay, the spag bol is ready.
By the way, which one's yours?
This one's mine. I don't want too much cheese, put it in the middle.
Me neither, I don't want too much cheese.
A little bit more. That's enough. How much do you want? It's quite a basic spag bol. No garlic bread, no mushrooms or anything. It's a jarred sauce.
Because I don't really like it.
I'm no Gordon Ramsay. Anyway, it's time for the taste test. Right, we sat down ready to eat, and it's time to do the taste test. Fist pump, well done.
I'm going to taste it.
Go on, have your bite, tell me what it's like. What do you rate it out of 10?
I would,
You helped me make it, don't forget.
I would rate it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, that's a fist pump. Right, you can review my taste.
Okay, Dad, taste it.
Okay.
All I can say it's hot.
Now I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10 as well. Fist pump, job well done. See you later guys, follow and like for the next video.